The first step is to go to designhill.com. The second step is use the free software. The third step, boom, you made money. So let's do that now. Here the designers get together to make, promote and sell different designs for t-shirts, websites, logos, brochures and other things. Over 100,000 businesses trust this website and it has been shown on BBC, NBC, etc. They work with some very big companies, which is good sign that this is a good company to work for. Now, all we need to do for the step 1 is to go to designhill.com, look around and find out more about it. Step 2 is to scroll all the way to the bottom of the website. Keep in mind that this is just the first free tool you will need to use with the next few platforms I'm about to show you. So make sure to pay attention and don't skip anything. Once you get to the bottom of the website, under the tools, I want you to click on the business tools right here. That will bring you this page where you can check out their free business tools. Here, a business owner can find all of the useful tools he needs to run his business in one place. As you can see, you can make barcodes, QR code generator, profit margin calculator. So you don't need that. You just need one bot from this website. It will make you money on the platforms I'll show you in a minute. You will need to scroll down a bit and click on the slogan generator right here. As it says, you can get a lot of ideas for slogans for your project or the businesses. And then I'll show you a lot of ways to sell these slogans and make hundreds of dollars over and over again. If you do everything in this video, you can make around like $25 to $35 on a single slogan. So stay tuned to see what I mean. Don't forget to hit the like button, and if you like this video, do subscribe. Now let's go back to the video. You will start using the slogan maker on designhill.com. This is a free bot where you can put one word into this box, hit the search button and you get bunch of slogans that you can use to make hundreds of dollars. You can make hundreds or even thousands of dollars with each of these slogans. So let's say I want to type in a tagline for my channel. I would just type make money online into the search box and hit search button. That will give you more than 100 slogans that I can use for free. I just have a click of a button and I can copy them. How long did it take to make them? I mean, the platform I am about to show you in this video will keep paying you hundreds of dollars, so you can use one of them to get a lot of free PayPal money. I can now look at all of these slogans and choose one of the best which I like. As you can see, the slogan is here, another one is here, another one here. I can just find multiple slogans for my business. The Design Hill free bot makes it easy for me to find a good slogan for any business. All I have to do is click the button to get a new slogan. Now you know how the Design Hill slogan generator works, and you can do this in just 5 seconds. Let me show you how you can make money with all these slogans and how you can make hundreds of dollars with each one of these. The first thing you can do is go to peoplehour.com, which is a freelancing website. If you type the slogan or tagline, you'll get a list of different people selling this service. Even though this service is required and is popular, very few people do offer this service. At this price, this person is likely made lot of sales. Imagine getting paid to copy and paste one word from one of the website to the another. Since the competition is high and very easy to generate slogans, I would say the best part over here is before anyone gets into this business, you have the earlier access, which is why you clicked on this video right now. People per hour is just one of the website. You can find multiple freelance works, something like Truelancer, Freelancer and Fiverr. These are the free websites where you can alternatively promote your services and make a lot of money. The more the platforms, the more the service and the more the chances of you making sales and make more money. All you have to do is list a service and wait for sales. When someone buys something from you, they'll pay you around like $35 to $55. It depends on the slogans. If you go back to the previous websites, you can use the free slogan generator. You can just copy paste these into any of your businesses or any of the services. You can also use a website which is called as sloganslingus.com. If you do not want to use other platforms, you can use this. Here you can enter the slogan contest and get paid if you win. This website has been featured in a lot of websites, something like Entrepreneur, CNBC, Yahoo Finance, Killer Startups and other places. So you can know it's a real thing, and these guys will have a lot of contests. You can just add your slogan over there and you can win the contest. All you can do is go there and sign up for the account which you can give your email address, password and your PayPal accounts to get paid. So everything is done. This is one of the website which is called as sloganslingus.com. You can use the last platform I'm going to tell you about, which is called as Squadhelp.com. You would have to pay $10 to enter, but your chances of winning are much higher because there aren't so many people competing and there are a lot of more contests. on squadhelp.com. I'm not forcing you to use this website, but this is one of the options where you can use it because there are very less competition. Click on become a creative to get started. You can join and try it out, see how it works. All you have to do is enter the slogan contest and share your ideas. If you are wondering how you'll get paid, they send all the payments to PayPal. Once you get paid, you can use your PayPal account and buy whatever you want. So once again, it takes less than 10 seconds to copy and paste whatever the ideas, whatever the slogans you just generated. Find a good slogan to give it to customers and get paid. You can keep doing this for as long as you want, and the more the platforms you use, the more the money you make. You can use over 30 different freelancing websites and other platforms. So guys, this is it. I'm ending this video over here. If you really like this video, just give a thumbs up. Comment underneath this video and say like if you want to know something more or if you have any questions on any of these videos. Till then, see you, bye bye. Thank you very much.